Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the QR image is immediately accessible on your device. Save it to your camera roll or files. In Ibis Paint X, open the canvas you'll work on and add a new layer for non-destructive editing. Once done, tap the Import Image option, choose Camera Roll or Files, and pick the QR picture. This inserts the QR as an image layer and ensures you can resize, move, or lock it without affecting underlying art. Now position the QR where it won't be obscured. Enter transform mode and scale, or rotate while holding aspect ratio so the code remains scannable. Use pinch gestures for precise resizing and place it on a high contrast area to improve scanner success. Once positioned, lower opacity briefly to check alignment, then restore opacity and lock the layer so accidental edits won't shift it. Also turn on guides or grid snapping to align edges vertically and horizontally for a clean result. Finish by exporting a test image or screenshot and scan it with a QR reader to confirm it works. You must verify because transforms can break readability. If scanning fails, make sure the QR has high contrast, no filters or blending modes over it, and that it wasn't distorted. Once verified, export your final artwork at full resolution and save a layered PSD backup with a copy of the QR layer unlocked. If anything goes wrong, revert to that PSD and retry adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.